Hey everybody, Jimmy again from the Gaming Gadget Grader, trying out the GoPro Hero 7 Black. We were trying it for its streaming capabilities, and when you're not near or cannot access a Wi-Fi hotspot, you can't use it to stream, which I don't really know if I understand how that isn't the case, but you can't. You can use your phone's personal hotspot to create a Wi-Fi network, but basically at that point you're using the 5G or 4G you have access to. It's not like you mysteriously have better internet that way. So why not have access to the LTE connection through your phone? I don't know. I was going to try to do a live here from the lake beach that we have near our house, but I can't do it because I can't access the streaming capabilities while using the app. So I was going to try to go to Twitch using an RTMP. I was going to try to go to Facebook, but you have to be connected to a Wi-Fi connection to go live. You can't use your phone's 5G, 4G connection. So I think that's tough if you want to live cast and do things like this where you're kind of out and about and you go live. That kind of forces you to go through your phone, which you can go through Facebook and go live at any point with your phone. You could do the same with Twitch. So why not have the capability using the GoPro camera, which is far superior and allows you to use wider field of view and other things like that, you know, go underwater and stuff like that. So I was a little bummed to see that you couldn't do that. Another note coming from our other first impression video, it does not save your RTMP stream URL from your previous broadcast. So we went to Twitch previously, and if you're familiar with Twitch, you have to have a stream URL based on where you're located, and then you have to have this huge stream key to remember and type in every time. So it doesn't remember that, it doesn't save that, so you have to put it in your note. I put it in my notes and I just copy it and paste it each time I'm doing that. So basically I'm recording straight to the GoPro right now, so you can see a live capture of the quality of the video. So we're doing 1080 60 with the linear, the not wide field of view, so you can kind of see what that looks like. So obviously it's going to look really, really good, but we are going to try the live functionality. So we'll try again. I know how it's going to work. It worked really well the first time, and it will work pretty much the same, but I wanted to try while we were out here out and about as a family to try to go live while we were out and about. And so you can't do that. You need to be connected to a Wi-Fi connection, or for some reason you can do a personal hotspot from your phone and connect to that, which basically, as we all know, is 5G, just kind of reinterpreted as a Wi-Fi signal. So I wish that was something that they add, but until then, this is what we got. Thanks for watching.